Welcome to the Dental Classroom podcast brought to you by TaughWell, where we provide valuable insights and tips for dental students and dental professionals looking to succeed in their studies and beyond. I'm your host, Dr. Ketki, and today we are going to talk about dental ethics, something that's not always talked about in the classroom or in the dental office, but is crucial for providing ethical care to our patients. First, let's define what we mean by dental ethics. Essentially, dental ethics refers to the principles and values that guide our behavior as dental professionals. These principles are based on the moral standards of our society and are meant to ensure that we provide ethical and responsible care to our patients. Now you might be wondering, why is dental ethics so important? Well, as dental professionals, we have a responsibility to prioritize the well-being of our patients over our own interests. This means providing treatment that is in the best interest of the patient, respecting their autonomy and privacy, and maintaining confidentiality. It also means being honest and transparent in our communication with patients and avoiding conflicts of interest. By following these principles, we can build trust with our patients and ensure that we are providing quality care. Of course, as with any field, there are bound to be ethical dilemmas that arise in dentistry. For example, what do you do when a patient asks you to perform a treatment that you know isn't necessary or appropriate? Or when a patient requests that you withhold information from their partner or family members? These situations can be challenging to navigate, and it's important to have a framework for making ethical decisions. One such framework is the 4 principles approach, which involves considering the principles of autonomy, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice when making ethical decisions. Autonomy refers to respecting a patient's right to make decisions about their own health care, while beneficence and non-maleficence refer to doing good and avoiding harm to the patient respectively. Justice refers to treating patients fairly and equitably. Another framework is the ethics of care approach, which emphasizes the importance of empathy and compassion in ethical decision-making. So how do we apply these ethical principles in our day-to-day practice? One way is to ensure that we are providing informed consent to our patients. That is, ensuring that they understand the risks, benefits, and alternatives to a particular treatment before proceeding. We should also strive to avoid conflicts of interest, such as recommending a treatment that we stand to benefit from financially. It's also important to maintain confidentiality and respect patient privacy, even in situations where it may be tempting to share information with others. Dental ethics is an essential aspect of providing responsible and ethical care to our patients. By understanding the principles and frameworks for ethical decision-making, we can navigate challenging situations with confidence and ensure that we are providing the best possible care. Remember, as dental professionals, we have a responsibility to prioritize the well-being of our patients above all else. I hope you enjoyed this podcast, and if you haven't already, please sign up on our website and download TaughWell app, where we provide amazing content for dental students in the form of animated videos, notes, blog posts, and a lot more. See you in the next episode very soon.